Hello, my name is Yash Shah, and this is my final submission for the hotel reservation system project. I have deployed the system following the given requirements, implementing both a kiosk self-service mode and an admin interface with full database integration, validations, and exception law handling and logging. I will first walk you through some key parts of my code to explain the structure, then demonstrate the application in action, and finally share the challenges I faced and what I learned. So, so as you can see, this is my file structure, and MVC and the project follows the MVC approach. The model package contains the my data classes like guest reservation room, billing, feedback, and admin. The view package contains the XML files I've kept it in resources folder. While the control package has the Java handling, the logic and the event actions. This is the database files which handles the database logic. So talking about the code, we'll go through some files. Like this is a guest file. It has binding properties for fields like guest name, phone number, email address, and feedback. I have implemented getter and set of methods with validation logic to ensure correct input for formats. This is reservation. It handles the check-in, check-out date, a number of guests, the room type, that logic. Next, we will look. These are the database files. As you can see, I will show some. Handles the database logic for the data we enter. This is the booking controller file. It handles all the data, for example, the guest details that are entered in it, the number of rooms, check-in, check-out date logic. If any field is not correct, it will give the uh, output that it's not data is not valid. It also has a logic for reservation of room. I've also preset the values of the room. If the single room, then base price is 100. Then if I've implemented a simple logic, like if guest is one, then it directly suggests him the single rooms. If there are two, then it will also suggest a double room, directly suggests that. Now this is the data. There's logic, different logics. Now search guest, then feedback. Logic it only allows the guest if he has previously stayed at the hotel. For example, he have to check in with his phone number or and name. If it's available in the database, then only it will allow to give the feedback. Now let's go through the application. Let's run this hello application. Will take some time. Okay, I think it is up. Yep, as you can see, this is our home page. Let's look at the guest um, point of view. Book with kiosk. It asks us the number of guests we want to enter. We can increase, let's say 3. Check-in date, let's say 14. Let's try, and let's say 18. It suggests room. For 3 people, it will suggest family room. If it was 4, it would suggest a suite. Let's agree and continue. If I want to check, I can choose. Let's say 5. So it will suggest a suite. Let's go there. Now we'll enter the guest information. Let's enter the name. Let's say Ron. May anything. phone number. Let's just enter the 5 digits: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And email address ron@gmail.com. 42 Street, Province, Ontario, City, Vaughan, postal code 632R4. Your passport. So let's do not enter. Let's check the data handling. Oh, we are agreeing. Continue this first. Again, continue. Party proof number. Let's confirm booking. Let's say the book room has been booked. Okay, it will show us the bill and the name of Ron May for his phone number, check-in, check-out, date, number of guests, and room type is the reservation ID that is updated, and the bill total. That's the finish. So we go back to home, and we've come back to home page. This is the guest side of view. Let's check out the admin side of logic. I need to enter the ID password. Let's enter the wrong ID, wrong password. It won't allow us to log in. It only have to enter the right logic. You cannot see my password as well. Oh, yeah, it's perfect now. Let's do search guest, and we can even modify the guest details from search guest only. So let's say for a recent one, let's say Ron, and we have to enter the phone number as well, just for the double check. Search, yes, this one we want to select it, edit booking. Okay. Family room to suit and update booking. This is done. Family room. Yep, it is done. Now if you want to check out the guest, you can go there. Let's search by the name. Let's say Ron. Search guest Ron. Subtotal. Tax amount. Let's give him a discount of $100. Great discount. 804 total. Print invoice is printed, and guest is checked out. If you want to cancel the booking, we can enter the reservation ID and cancel this booking. We have to view feedback. We can view the feedback. Let's go back and enter feedback first. Back to main menu. Yes, let's give a feedback. Phone number 234567890. Guest name Ron. Rating 5. It was a nice experience. Submit the feedback. Invalid phone number. It was there. Let's enter someone else. Back to home. This is it. This is everything. This is my project. Thank you so much.